Hello everyone, I'm Shreya, an alumni of Gandhi Institute for Technological Advancement Bhubaneswar, 2013 to 17 batch, AAA department. Currently I'm working as an application development analyst in Accenture Bangalore. I have 3 years of prior experience in working in Infosys that I was very fortunate to get selected into through the campus placement drive held at our college. For that, I would like to express my gratitude towards the training and placement cell Geeta. They arranged classes and sessions, mock interviews, which all helped us prepare a lot for our placement. That really helped a lot during the written exam and the interview process. So, thank you so much, Geeta, for offering that. I would also like to express my heartiest gratitude towards my teachers in AAA department or otherwise. They really delivered a very quality education to us, not just academics. They created a very motivating and supporting environment through which we never had any hesitation going to them and asking queries. They were always available for all our silly to silly queries, and that really helped us understand the subject in a very thorough manner. And there was a sense of confidence when we were allowed to ask any kind of queries that we had in our mind. So thank you so much, teachers, for helping us through all those days and through all those moments that we felt like we are in doubt. Coming to Geeta as a college, it's not that Geeta is just about delivering quality education. Beyond that, it has a great aspect of offering that helps students build their skill set through the co-curricular activities that Geeta offer, be it annual fest or technical fest, robotics workshop, or any other fun activities that Geeta offers. Those activities, organizing them, participating in them, all these things help students build their skill set in their area of interest. I remember being a part of entrepreneurship program that our college offers. We used to learn the key skills that an entrepreneur has and the challenges that they face. We used to visit field trips or meet any entrepreneur, learn from them. There were small activities organized in the college that really helped us implement what we have learned. So all these things that Geeta offer in all around manner help a student build not only academically but also add values to their life. So I can just say that I'm very grateful being a part of Geeta and being in AAA department, learning from all those wonderful teachers. Thank you so much for helping me become what I've become today.